Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. This May, Conicelli Hyundai Service Center is bringing you fantastic service deals to keep your vehicle running like new. Start with our oil change and tire rotation special. It's just $74.95. Quick, affordable, and essential for every car on the road. Got some more work to do? We got you covered. You can save big with our Spend and Save offer. You can save up to $150 off same-day service. It's an easy way to save some cash on those more costly repairs. Need brake service? Take $25 off front and or rear brake replacement. Keep your stopping power strong and safe. And for better handling and longer tire life, get $10 off our four-wheel alignment this month. Lock in these May specials now at ConicelliService.com or simply call 888-289-5948 to schedule your appointment. Conicelli Hyundai Service Center, a nice place to do business.